If a pandemic were to occur that made animals significantly smarter, it would likely lead to a major shift in the balance of power between humans and animals. Here's a scenario depicting how animals could join forces and potentially take over cities. In a world struggling with environmental crises, a series of mysterious events occurs. Animals in various cities begin displaying heightened intelligence, evolving rapidly in both cognitive abilities and physical prowess. Scientists are intrigued but fail to recognize the impending danger. A highly contagious and mysterious pathogen emerges, affecting the brains of various animal species. It enhances their cognitive abilities, granting them human-level intelligence, problem-solving skills, and communication abilities. The virus rapidly spreads among different animal populations, including mammals, birds, and perhaps even some reptiles. It affects animals living in close proximity to humans, such as pets, urban wildlife, and farm animals. With their newfound intelligence, animals begin to communicate and coordinate with each other. They form alliances based on shared interests and survival instincts, overcoming natural predator-prey relationships. This unprecedented level of collaboration allows them to strategize and plan their actions. Animals start taking advantage of human vulnerabilities, particularly in densely populated areas like cities. They observe human behavior, learn from it, and adapt their strategies accordingly. For example, they might identify weak points in infrastructure, such as electrical grids or transportation systems, to disrupt human activity. Animals could acquire the ability to use tools effectively. Primates might demonstrate dexterity in crafting and using tools, like fashioning makeshift weapons or using simple tools for food gathering and shelter construction. Animals may display strategic thinking, forming plans to maximize their chances of success. They could coordinate attacks, set up decoys, and devise diversion tactics to outsmart human defenses. Animals may hone their ability to blend into urban environments, using camouflage techniques and mastering stealthy movements. This would enable them to infiltrate human territories undetected and carry out covert operations. Animals with increased intelligence could exhibit remarkable problem-solving abilities. For instance, with heightened intelligence, raccoons could become even more adept at outsmarting human efforts to keep them out of garbage bins and other food sources. They might develop more sophisticated methods to bypass locks, containers, and other barriers, making it increasingly challenging for humans to protect their belongings. With heightened intelligence, animals may develop advanced communication systems beyond their current abilities. Birds could use intricate vocalizations or even create their own language, facilitating coordinated actions and sharing valuable information across different species. Birds, including crows and pigeons, now possess heightened intelligence and dexterity. They use their advanced problem-solving abilities to navigate complex urban environments, scouting out weak points in human defenses. With precision and coordination, they carry out surprise attacks, swooping down to distract and disorient humans, creating an advantage for the other intelligent animals. Crows could communicate complex messages to coordinate actions and share information across large distances. Intelligent aquatic creatures, including octopuses, eels, orcas, and sharks, exploit their heightened intelligence and adaptability to infiltrate coastal and riverside human settlements. Octopuses skillfully maneuver through narrow spaces using their shape-shifting abilities to enter human structures undetected. Eels utilize their electrical discharge to disable human technology, plunging settlements into darkness. Dolphins, orcas, and sharks, with their increased intelligence and adaptability, launch coordinated attacks from the water. Dolphins utilize their echolocation to detect human movements, guiding their fellow marine allies. Orcas and sharks use their strength and predatory instincts to breach coastal defenses and strike fear into the hearts of humans. Already closely related to humans, apes and chimpanzees could acquire even greater cognitive abilities. they might develop the capacity for abstract thinking, reasoning, and planning. This could lead to the creation of complex social structures, advanced tool usage, and the ability to adapt and survive in various environments. Rats, known for their adaptability, could become highly intelligent urban strategists. They could learn to navigate complex human infrastructure, using their intelligence to bypass security systems and identify the most effective routes to access resources. Rats might also develop intricate communication networks to coordinate actions across their extensive populations. Intelligent rodents, including squirrels and raccoons, harness their newfound intelligence to organize into cunning groups. They infiltrate human settlements, utilizing their dexterity and problem-solving skills to bypass barriers and access valuable resources. They raid food supplies, leaving humans vulnerable to scarcity and weakening their morale. Intelligent amphibians, including frogs and salamanders, harness their enhanced intelligence and amphibious nature to wreak havoc on human settlements. They infiltrate water systems, contaminating drinking water and causing widespread panic. Their ability to camouflage and remain unseen in water bodies enables them to move undetected, spreading chaos and disrupting human defenses. Intelligent snakes, with heightened intelligence and mesmerizing abilities, utilize their seductive charm to manipulate and deceive humans. They infiltrate human settlements, slithering through buildings and blending seamlessly with the surroundings. Using their hypnotic gaze, they control and influence weak-willed individuals, turning them against their own kind and sowing seeds of discord among human communities. Intelligent insects, such as bees, ants, and wasps, band together in massive swarms, fueled by their heightened intelligence and coordinated actions. They overwhelm human settlements, attacking in relentless waves. Bees deliver targeted stings, wasps deploy potent venom, and ants exploit their strength in numbers to dismantle human defenses and disrupt communication systems. This expansion introduces additional animals and their abilities as they join forces to take over human settlements. Each species contributes its unique skills and strategies, overwhelming human defenses and establishing control over the territories. Wolves, operating in highly organized packs, strike at the outskirts of cities, targeting vulnerable individuals and isolated communities. Intelligent termites and ants, armed with heightened intelligence and advanced construction skills, establish intricate fortifications within human settlements. They collaborate to construct complex underground tunnels, fortresses, and mazes. These structures serve as hidden strongholds, enabling the intelligent animals to launch surprise attacks and maintain control over key areas. Humans, facing the growing threat, organize defenses and countermeasures. Specialized teams equipped with advanced technologies engage in a fierce conflict with the intelligent animals. However, the animals' superior intelligence and coordination give them the upper hand, forcing humans to retreat and abandon parts of the cities to the dominant animal forces. As the intelligent animals solidify their control over cities, unintended consequences start to emerge. With human activities significantly reduced, the delicate balance of urban ecosystems is disrupted. The absence of human waste management systems leads to overgrowth and contamination, causing unforeseen ecological imbalances. The intelligent animals face new challenges in maintaining their dominance. Within the animal hierarchy, power struggles and alliances emerge. Some species seek to maintain harmony with humans, recognizing the benefits of mutual cooperation. Others become increasingly aggressive, expanding their territories and challenging the dominance of rival animal groups. The fragile balance of power among the animals intensifies, creating internal conflicts that could potentially be exploited by the human resistance. The climactic battle between the human resistance and the intelligent animal forces looms. The resistance launches a coordinated assault on the animal-controlled cities, aiming to weaken their hold and liberate human settlements. The conflict escalates into a fierce struggle, where strategic planning, advanced technology, and the will to survive determine the outcome. The fate of cities and the balance of power hang in the balance. In the aftermath of the final battle, a fragile understanding emerges between humans and the intelligent animals. A newfound coexistence is sought, based on respect, shared resources, and mutually beneficial cooperation. Humans and animals work together to rebuild cities, adapting infrastructure to accommodate the needs of both species. Lessons are learned about the importance of balance and harmony in maintaining a thriving urban ecosystem.